Hiya everyone, I hope you're keeping well. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've changed the background to a fashion shot. Then obviously we do the makeup over there next to the whole cabinet area. I'm trying the lighting and trying to like miss desks, because when you see the whole room put together, you'll see it actually looks nicer in my eye than it does on camera. It's driving us berserk, and it's because I haven't got the colours right. What I'm planning on doing is black wall on the bottom and then the light coloured grey carpets, which will help, and I think it'll really just stand out. That's my plan, but I can't do anything until after Christmas, so it's bugging us, because that's the way I am. I get like a bee in my bonnet and then I'm like terrible. Martin says just leave it till after Christmas. I was like okay, and I've been thinking, oh god, it's doing me head in. But anyway, as promised, I'm going to do makeup with you in a bit, but first of all, do you want to open this box of Shein with us? I've got 2 more to sort out and bring to yous, so I've got to get on top of that. I've just never had a chance to do anything. This moves knocked it out with the paperwork. Poor Martin's had to go back to work today. I miss me friend. Anyway, I'm opening this box. Let's have a look in it, eh? I know he's been dying to have a look. And I haven't got anything in here to open it except for a hammer. So don't laugh. I should put it there. I've got me glass of juice. You know, there's an accident ready to happen. This is me. It's the raw mockingbird smoothie. And I've got this because I feel like I need the vitamin C, which I know is full of sugar. I know it's a load of crap. But I do feel better. And I'm feeling like I'm struggling with this cold. It's not shifting, so. Ooh. I'm sorry if any of you have got misophonia and slurpy noises make you like they do me. Sorry. Don't have scissors. I know. I'm just useless. Open up the middle. Got the bed over there. Let's have a look in this box. Now I forgot what I've ordered because with phone, come on please. I don't have any scissors and it's boiling in here, and I haven't been taking my estrogen. I know I should, and I can feel the difference. I'm sweating, boiling, fuming. It's such a difference. Like if you get offered it and you can't take it, you'll see what I mean. Oh, so I'm on HRT gel, estrogen. Yeah, when you don't take it, you notice it. I stopped taking it because I felt like it was increasing my weight, and it's increasing my like hunger. I've got this unstoppable hunger which I've never had before like this. I thought, oh, it's got to be that, so I'll stop taking it for a bit. Well, it's not worth it. I'm trying to kill someone, and I'm boiling, and I never slept because I was like all night. All right, we're in. Let's go. There. Ooh, I'm not going to show you the first thing. It's too exciting. I'm going to keep it till last. I'm going to have to start wearing black bottoms on it because you can't see it on the carpet, mind you. That's not a bad thing. Ready? I'll put that there. Oh. Now, I forgot what I ordered, but wow. Wait till you see. Should we do this? I'll put it there and we'll all have a good look. Ooh. Right, so I love the MOTF branding inside of Shein. This is gorgeous. You ready? We need to do a picture. Sorry. We need to do a picture. You'll know what I mean when you see it. It's got to be done. So sorry, you lot. It's gotta be done. This is my thumbnail. Right, sorted. Let's go. So this here is it just caught me eye. Look at it. I hope that fits. I just loved it for its autumn colour. I love the print. It's got a bit of purple on. Feels lovely. I can't wait. I'm going to do a proper try on. Not today, but tomorrow. We'll come back for that. This is MOTFL. It's a large, sorry. And it's really, really nice. Let's have a look. Naturally Chic. I'm going to do a link as well so you can shop me pics, because there's no good showing you. Now, I think the discount code I've got, it only applies to new app users, which I think it should be everyone, but it does. I think you get like up to £100 off in coupons. So have a look. Click my link anyway and pop your little your search code in so you can have a look at everything. Try it out, but I don't know if I can get everyone discount. But have a look, you never know. What else have I got? Let's have a look. This is, I don't know. Let's have a look. Ooh. Oh, I know what this is. This I thought was stunning. I hope it fits, I got large, extra large in as much as I could. This is so me. I saw this Christmas party, black tights, long black boots. Maybe it's a big fur coat over. Do you know what I mean? I was excited. I saw that and thought, I love it. And it looked gorgeous on the model. I love the detail. I'm a proper black dress wearer. I think it's beautiful. I can't wait to try that on for you. Again, I hope it fits. I got the largest I could find. I think this is an extra large. Let's have a quick peek. No, it's just large. I like, so far, I'm pretty excited about these. These look really exciting, don't they? Now we've got, ooh. Oh, right. Let's have it. Oh, hello, look at this. Yeah, this is exciting, isn't it? So I've got 2 more to do. There's another Christmas one and there's a Boxing Day one. So I've got to get on it today. I've got to put my order in. I'm very lucky. I do like a collaboration with them. Look at this. Oh, I hope it fits. That should fit. Let's have a look. This should totally fit. That's beautiful. Please fit. I have a feeling it will. Will it look nice? I don't know. We're going to have to. This could be an awkward one for me. I've put an incredible amount of weight on in such a short space of time to the point where I don't even know what size I am properly. This is, it's the Ann. So AN, it's a new star. That is the brand on Shein and it's extra large. I hope it works. It looks beautiful. I really do like that. Probably need Martin to put us into this one. It's got a little zip. But you can feel it. It's just lovely. It's lovely. And I just love stuff like that. I love floral prints. Like old-fashioned vintage floral prints are my thing. I just tend not to go for them because it's very hard to find them in a larger size. But we'll give that a go. And if it works, it works. It comes with a little wrap like tie around. Put that there. Alrighty then. Well, these feel heavy. Are you ready? Oh. Oh no. Oh, hang on. Now I don't know if these are going to fit. I might get away with them, you know, because they come so high up. So look, I wanted some long flared pants. And these come pretty high up, so hopefully I can get myself in. There's some stretch to them as well. It's hard to figure out when you're looking on these websites what's going to be stretchy and what's not. This is the problem I've got right now. My waist is like exploded. Menopause, it's real. And eating like a pig, it's real. So my stomach area has exploded in proportion to the rest of us. So getting something like when you look for trousers on the internet or skirts or dresses even around the middle, it's really, really hard to get stretchy. So let's hope they fit. But I wanted some smart flared trousers because I want to put these with my Christmas top that I had on last night for my makeup look that I did with my bundle. So that's what I planned on with them. Next up, this is a wild card. Now, you know me, I have to go for a wild card. If something's trending, yes, I have a look and think, But usually I think, what do I like? And it's not what other people like. I like to be different. So look at this. Are you ready? I can hear the birdies twerping. This here is just beautiful. I know it might not look much, but I think, plus when I'm looking at stuff, by the way, I'm looking at makeup looks to go with. Look at this. I'm coming close because someone said that they had trouble seeing. I do a lot of replying today. I'll get around to all replies, but I've seen someone's comment saying this, they can't see properly because I'm far away. So there you go, look at that. Look at the detail. Isn't that stunning? I cannot wait to try that on. And it feels nice as well. Now the reason I'm saying that is things are icking me out right now because in the winter my hands go so dry, they catch on everything and it's sickening, it's disgusting. This, I'm not getting that icky feel, which is good because I worry about woolly jumpers. It's catching a bit, but it's not catching like it can. Oh, there was a big fleecy bed top and I was like, ooh, nah. And that was in Asda George. And they've got some lovely materials. Ready? So we've got some coats coming as well, by the way, to try out just for fun. But I'll be sending a lot back. I'm sending that one that you saw us in back. Nah, wasn't good. Let's have a bit of animal print. This I thought was quite nice. Now, those black pants with this tucked in with a gold belt and some black flats. This is what I was seeing. And what I think I'll do is shop me pics, you'll see, and you'll see exactly how the models wear in them all if you want to see like versus. I can put a picture up, actually, probably on the Facebook, the YouTube one, I'll do like a picture of how it should be. On Facebook, I just put them out as the go, but on YouTube, that's Shein want the YouTube version, so they like to have a look at it all. So if you want to have a look at that, check the YouTube video out. Well, like, it's on me. We'll do it when we get ready, like on me versus the model, because it don't look the same. But this is where we'll come into it. We can show you how it could look. Ready? This is my last bit and I love this one. Hopefully I get to wear it today. Look! You ready? This I'm so excited. By the way, this here, so on the website you've got different brands. Emery Rose is lush. There's a French chic one as well. There's loads of different ones I love. You've got like denim, you've got like gothic, you've got the whole vintage floral, you've got your plus size curve, you've got all different kinds of shoppable picks. This one, I think it's a new star, I'm going to call it a new star, I'll probably saying it wrong, is one of my favourites. MOTF is another one of my favourites. I got them trainers, they were lush and the box are amazing. Really liking this one, so shop me links, shop me pics, I'll put the link underneath for you. If I can find it, I should be. This looks big enough. Oh, I hope it does. This was just to get us by. I seen it on the model and I thought, wow, it looks absolutely stunning. Now bearing in mind I'm wearing a stinking big top, but should we just try it quick? Come on, I've got to try one thing for you. I like how you get it, just to feel a bit more, what's the word? There's more to them in the brands. I feel like I can, some things I want that are going to last longer, and these are a little bit more expensive, but I feel like they're worthwhile on the website. You know how like when you go to Lidl and Aldi, you've got like you've got your baseline and then you've got your like exclusives and stuff. It feels like that, but I always think they're still more affordable than if you went somewhere else. Like, you know what I mean? So I'm happy about that. I'm also thinking of doing the garden out with some of the stuff I found on Shein. Right, let's go. I hope this works. Yeah, I hope it does. Which size did I get? Let's have a look. I got a large. I don't know if it went any higher. I feel like if it would have done, I'd have gotten, because that's how unsure I am at the minute with my size. But I think that is the largest it goes to. Excuse me. Oh, it feels like there's room. I've got to go around the town today. Please, oh, I don't mind. God's gonna. Right, I'll put a different top on because otherwise I will die of heat exhaustion. Bearing in mind, I will not be having this big top underneath. Oh, it fits. It actually fits and it's warm. Feels nice. I love the colour. Do I have a nice bag to put with it? I should have picked a bag out of this lot, but I just wasn't thinking straight. Plus I had the dress changes to figure out and do. Oh, there we go. A lovely length as well. So just hides my bum. So, you know, if I'm wearing any tight leggings with see-through bits and you can see me knickers or whatever else, this is going to hide all of that. Definitely need to change my top though. It's warm. This is cool and I like how it comes down. Come on, I'll show you right up close. Look. I love it. I like. What do you think? I want to know your thoughts. What's your thoughts on them jumpers? I know the pants are going to be easy going. Everyone wants a pair of pants, like stretchy. I want to know your thoughts on them tops that I've picked. And this, do you like it? I love the colour. I love how it's so roomy. Like, it is so roomy. This is one of the problems I've had. Nothing fits at the minute. Well, it does. It'll fit and it'll close. But by heck, I look like a trapped sausage in it all. So this, I feel, is giving us room. And like I said, this is going to come off. I'm going to put a smaller, thin top on. And it's going to hang nicely under this. I'm even going to change my pants. That's how excited I am and inspired. I was going to go out in my joggers today, but I'm not. I'm going to put them pants on. Or a different pair and keep them for the look tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to put some nice stuff on and really go exciting. I'm inspired. I'm also inspired to do a makeup look for you. So I'm going to do that in a minute. I'm going to get this out. I want to say good morning on the morning. I have been in this room trying to fix it up again to do this video. That's what's took us so long, because I wanted to come on here earlier and say good morning to you, but I never got the chance. So, good morning on the morning. I hope you've had a lovely sleep. I didn't, because I forgot my Easter gel. I was sweating like a beast. But I'm here, I'm happy, and I've got loads of errands to run today, and I've got my new coat, jacket. I love it. I shall see you on a bit. I hope you have a lovely day. Zoom zoom.